Hey, good morning. My name is Frank John, Janitorial Coaching Hub. At the Janitorial Coaching Hub, we have three main commitments. It's to help you build, grow, and establish your cleaning company by giving you the tools needed for your success. We welcome you to subscribe, share, and like our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram page using the handle at Janitorial Coaching Hub. We also have a WhatsApp channel. Right now, there's no handle that comes with the WhatsApp channel. At least I don't know that, but it is in our description. So if you click on it, it will take you to our WhatsApp channel so that you can get every update, every value that we are given, right? So thank you so much for joining us today. Today, I really want to talk about mindsets. Mindsets are so critical in anything that we do. You know, the scripture says, as a man thinketh, so he becomes, right? As a person thinks, so they become. What you think becomes what your life will look like. If you think of yourself low, you will walk as a lowly person, right? But this same thinking is also relevant and is also important in business, right? You know, often we make the mistakes of thinking that our individual lifestyle does not reflect in our business practices. And if it's not true, who you are, you bring it to your business. You bring it to your staff. Your staff sees these things, and it will show in whether or not your business is successful. One of the things I've come to realize is that mindsets are so critical. They're so critical in how we do in business. They're so critical even as in a family. Like, what are you thinking? How are you thinking through things? What is your perception of things, right? And today I really want to talk about three things, three mindset practices or thought patterns which is holding your cleaning business back. Obviously, I'm not going to just talk about things that are holding you back. I like solutions, so we will talk about how you can change that to help you move forward, right? I believe that if you practice these three things, you will do very well in your cleaning business this year, right? And the truth is that these three practices can be used in other businesses as well. So you can take it and model it for your business. But I want to talk about my friends, my colleagues in the cleaning business. And I have been there. I have made the mistakes of thinking like this, and I saw how it held me back until I was able to break free, right? So today, I really want to talk about three mindsets which is holding you back from doing well in your cleaning business, right? Let me know what you think. Well, let me know where you are in your cleaning business and how we can be of help to you. You know, how we can give you value after listening to this. Obviously, we want you to share, like, and subscribe, everything that you're supposed to do when you come to an amazing YouTube channel like ours, all right? So let's get into it. The number one thing, the first thing is we think of our cleaning business as a hustle instead of it being a business. Let me take it again. We think of our cleaning business as a hustle instead of it being a business. Let me tell you, I understand when we say, "Oh, I'm hustling. This is I'm whatever word that we use, whatever street colloquialism that we use, right? But words are spirit. Words have life. And I'm not trying to get all preachy on you, but it is true. Words carry weight. And if you keep thinking, if you keep saying there's just my hustle, I'm just hustling, stop doing that. It's not attractive. If you are hustling, when you go for the walkthrough, your client, your prospective client will see that you see your business as just a hustle. The way that you approach, the way that you talk about what you can offer them, they will look at you, they will look through you, right? Because you came there with a hustle mentality. They don't want a hustler to be the one doing the cleaning for them. Yeah, maybe you could have been a hustler on the street or whatever that you were doing, but take that knowledge and bring it to your now newfound love, which is your cleaning business. Start to think of your cleaning business, as a company, as a startup. When I got started, I didn't know jack squat about cleaning. I mean, I had done cleaning, but I wasn't an owner. When I got started, I just started to tell people, "Well, I have a startup, I have a company, and I wasn't faking it. It was legit. It was a company, but I mean, honestly, it wasn't like some fancy, complex startup that I had some funding money. No, but what I was trying to understand and what I understood at the time was that how I think and what I say about things become my reality, right? We were just cleaning residential apartments. We were just cleaning an apartment. We had like 2-3 clients. Nobody was taking us serious, but I took myself serious. I took the company serious. Because I took it serious, we used to have, at the time, we had an intern, Doris. Thank you so much, wherever you are. And myself, my wife, and Doris will meet every week and have meetings, and Doris will send minutes. That is how serious I took my company. I still have the minutes till this day. We will sit down and look at and reread my business plan. Even my logo, because I took it so serious, I put so much energy and hired a true graphic designer. She's awesome. If you want to get her information, I could give it to you. But I found a true graphic designer that designed our logo. And I wanted the brand because I understood it to be a business. It was a startup. It was a company. It wasn't a hustle. And if I was going to do this, I had to look at it that way. I had a regular 9 to 5. But it didn't stop me from looking at it as, okay, you're starting something, it's a business, approach it with that mindset. And now by the grace of God, we are doing well. So stop thinking of it as a hustle. This year, after watching this video, I want you to start saying to yourself, I have a cleaning business. I have I have a startup. I am going to grow it. All right? Because when you see of it as a business, one of the things that will occur to you is that this is something I could leave behind for my children. This is something that will help put food on somebody's table when I employ them. Check this. This is something I can make my main thing when I decide to leave my 9 to 5 behind. I was in a different industry altogether, but now this is what I do. So stop thinking of it as a hustle. It is a business. It is a business, and you must approach it that way. So that is the first mindset that I want you to get rid of in 2024. It is not a hustle. It is a business. Number 2 mindset I want you to get rid of is your competitors, your other cleaning companies in your town, your city, your state, out there, wherever they are. They are not your competitors. They are models. They are models of excellence that you should look after. You should look to emulate. You are your competitor. Why is that? When you got the idea to start your cleaning business, your cleaning startup, your cleaning company, not your cleaning hustle, whatever you call it, it was given to you. You stand in the way of doing well. You stand in the way of growing. You are your main hindrance. You are your main obstacle. It's not Billy Bob who has paid the price to be making more money than you. It's not Susie Joe who goes to conferences. It is not Ikea who makes sure that she sits behind her computer and take trainings. It's not them. You are the main competitor. When you start to look at other cleaning companies as models of excellence, trust me, you will grow. It happened to me. When I got started, I was looking for cleaning companies that I could look after. I would go online. When I found people who were doing things that I wanted to do, were in places I wanted to get to, I would read about them. I would study their website. I would check them out. There are some websites I copied here. You can go to my website and copy. I'm not mad at it. But give credit to them. There are some of them I'll reach out to them on LinkedIn and say, hey, I know that you're doing this. I appreciate what you're doing. I am also trying to do that. Can you help me? I know some people frown on that, right? But hey, I'm not going to let what people think stop me from my success. Were some of them helpful? Yes. Did some of them ignore me? You better believe that. And some of them made me feel like, what are you doing? You don't belong here. I belong. I know I belong. And so do you. I didn't look at them as my competitors. They were models of excellence. Listen, I was looking at big national companies, and I still do, and I say, I want to get to these places. One of the things I would do is, when I'll travel and, when I'll fly in the airplane, as you're getting off, you see that the cleaning companies are coming in to clean. I will turn back and look, and I said, one day my cleaning company will be cleaning big airlines and big vessels and all that. I've not gotten there yet. I will get there, but I don't look at them as my competitors. They are models of excellence for me, and I appreciate them. So stop looking at them as your competitors. Stop looking at them as people start to look at them as they have gotten to where you want to go to, and you are going to learn from them. But your competitor is you, so you are going to rise up to the challenge. You are going to stay up. You are going to get out of the way so that you can do well. You're going to stay up, read, take trainings, go to conferences, ask questions, watch YouTube videos, subscribe to Janitorial Coaching Hub, because we are giving you value. Because this year, 2024, you are not going to get in the way. You are not going to get in your own way anymore. So stop looking at other cleaning companies as your competitors. You are your main competitor. Say that to yourself. Because you are your main competitor, you're going to get out of the way so that you can do well. Number 3, because you think of your cleaning company as a hustle, you are not bringing in technological innovations which will make you grow. And that is super critical. A lot of cleaning companies did not grow because they didn't include technology. They didn't grow because they didn't include technology. What technology are you including in your cleaning business that will help you be in many places at once? Are you still using Excel? Why don't you invest in a cleaning manager, software manager? Why don't you invest in an app that will help you post on several different social media at the same time? Why are you not hiring a team that can do the work that you are doing now, so that you can focus on dealing with having client relations, going to do quality assurance? Why don't you have a manager who will be able to go and check out on things for you, so that you can work on with the sales team and the marketing team to be able to get the things that you need to get done? You are not including technology. So your client, you don't know when your staff don't show up. That was me. We don't have any way of knowing that our staff didn't show up because we have not bought into the technology. And the reason why is because you look at your cleaning business as a hustle. And because you look at it as a hustle, you don't put money into the hustle. It's like, yeah, it's just a hustle. It's nothing. It's something small. It doesn't matter. It does matter. It does matter. And because you are doing this, very soon you will be outgrown. Very soon people will not need you anymore. Very soon your clients will be needing somebody that understand the trends in the facilities maintenance industry, and you will you will fall short because you don't understand what sustainability is and everything that's going on. You don't go on because you don't go on into conferences and trade shows to see how things are going, right? If you're doing floors, you don't understand the new processes and what is required to do new floors. You're not talking to people. You're not being innovative. You're not adding technology. You're not doing anything. Your invoices are not, you're still paying your people on Cash App. I mean, come on. You must grow. And for you to grow, you must include technologies. You must include technology. That's one of the things I learned in 2020. That if you do not have technology, if you did not buy into Zoom or Teams or whatever, you'll be left behind. And now, if you include technology, you can meet clients on Zoom. You can meet, you can meet staff on Zoom. There are so many different ways that you can meet people, and you can do well in your cleaning business. So let's review the 3 things. Stop thinking of your cleaning business as a hustle. It is a business. Stop looking at other cleaning companies as a competitor. You are your competitor, so get out of your way. They are models of excellence. And include technology. Include technology into your cleaning business and you will do well. My name is Frank John. It's good to have you around. Janitorial Coaching Hub. Share, like, subscribe. See you around.